Hi guys, welcome to Gina's Yummy Treats. Today I've brought an instant snacks. Are you going to throw away the ripe banana? Wait, don't throw it away. First see this instant snack. It's a healthy snacks that is made with few ingredients that are easily available at home. So let's start. For this recipe, I've used one ripe banana. Take a ball and cut it into pieces. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I am adding only 2 tablespoons because banana is already sweet. Now with the help of a fork, smash banana. You can see how I am doing it. It is easily getting smashed. Until the whole sugar is dissolved, stir it properly. Now add 1 cup of wheat flour and a pinch of salt for the taste. Now mix all together with the help of a fork. Now take 3/4 cup of milk. Add it in a small portion. Don't add it all together because it will be difficult for you to mix it properly. You can see how I'm doing it. This is a healthy snacks that can be easily made within 5 minutes. If you have a banana, whether it is ripe or a normal banana, you can use it. Next, I'm coming with a yummy, delicious beetroot wine recipe. So those who haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you will get the notification for my new videos. At least once try these snacks, you will never throw away ripe banana again. You can see how I'm adding milk in batches. This will help you to form a batter without lumps. You can see the consistency now. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder will give a good taste. Mix it properly. If you want, you can add more milk. You can see the consistency of batter. This is what we require. Now take a pan, add oil for frying. After oil gets hot, with the help of a spoon, put batter in batches. Put small amount of batter, don't overcrowd it. With the help of a spatula, put oil on top of it. You can see how I'm doing it. This will make your snack fluffy and it will be soft. Keep the flame in medium so that it will get cooked from inside also. You have to cook this until it turns brown from both the sides. While doing this, be careful with your hands. You can see how I'm turning it so that it will get cooked from all the sides. You can see it have turned brown from both the sides. It's done. Take it in a bowl. Repeat the same for remaining batter. Now take a separate bowl and add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, you can take sugar powder. Now put the snacks in it and with the help of a spoon, coat it with the icing sugar. You can avoid this step if you want less sweetness. Just try once this recipe, you will love it. And comment below how it was. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.